Welcome back to another episode. We are here at the Wynn Hotel here in Las Vegas, and we kind of splurged a little bit and we decided to stay at the Wynn. First time staying here, so I want to kind of give you a kind of overview of the hotel, show you around, and we'll go ahead and start off by showing you the room. Okay, welcome to the Wynn, and this is our room that we're staying in, and for a couple nights. And as you enter here, you'll see a nice table here. And we have a couple of chairs. So here's a nice bed here. That's a bigger TV. I wonder if it swings out. Let's go check. Gotta believe that it kind of swings out. Oh yeah. Yeah. This TV swings out, which is kind of cool. Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say, it better swing out, because how are you gonna see that from the bed if you're laying in bed? So here you go. Awesome big bed here, really plush. Has some artwork here, and like I mentioned before, you have the big TV. Let's go ahead and put that back. All right, put it back in. Very nice. All right, and then we also have, of course, the snack bar. Again, read the signs before you do any snack taking, I believe. Also, I'm assuming this is the refrigerator, which is correct. We have the refrigerator mini bar, and the same thing goes here. Don't touch anything, because there's a sign that tells you 30 seconds you have, or they're going to charge your room. But got some good selection of drinks. Nice. Then they have some nice glasses here. The wine glasses and some rock glasses. All right. So here you go, a big mirror, and they have another big mirror over there as well. The big mirror helps make it look like the room's bigger. And then we have a view outside. I wouldn't say it's the best view in the world, but we have a view of the Mirage, Treasure Island, the Palazzo, and there's the link over there. Similar to the other hotels we stayed in, they have the drapes, and they have it where you close the drapes, and then there you go. You know, we stayed at the Bellagio and we stayed at the Aria, and very similar. They had the drapes that you could touch, and then you can go ahead and open the drapes here. I feel like I'm a kid playing with these drapes. There you go. Okay, let's check out the bathroom here. And as you come in, they have the big shower here. Standalone shower. Ooh, that's really nice. And right next to it, they have a big tub. Ooh, this tub is really deep. I think someone's gonna use the tub tonight. I'm betting. And got some nice artwork here, which is pretty cool. Great. And looks like they give you some body wash, shampoo and conditioner. It smells nice. Okay. Then we have the double vanity. 2 mirrors. A lot of these hotels are going with these mirrors with the lights in them. Really popular. Also, they come with some toiletries as well. The shower cap, you have body lotion, cotton swabs. Really nice. Alright. And then you got the hair dryer down there. Also, if you think you're eating too much, they also have a scale, so you can weigh yourself if you eat too many buffets, like me. Alright, we have a couple robes here if you want to jump out of your clothes and get into a robe. And then, of course, over here, the typical toilet. And you know you got a fresh roll of toilet paper. Okay, so here you are. This is the bathroom at the Wynn. Oh, before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this closet here. It's closet's pretty big. Also, I believe they have laundry bag here, so if you want to take your laundry out. Also, they have a safe here that's built into the wall. So if you have any valuables, you can put in the safe before you go out. Also, it looks like they have some extra linens up there if it gets cold. They have an iron and an ironing board. And your luggage rack and some hangers. There you go. Nice big walk-in closet here. Keep all your stuff. Very nice. And as you can see by the room, it's a really nice room. If you look at the bed itself, the bed is probably the most comfortable bed we slept in. Not only was the mattress really soft, kind of like hugged your body, right? And the pillows, same thing. The pillows were amazing. And then you have the comforter and the duvet on top. I guarantee you, this will be the best night's sleep you ever have. So yeah, once we hit the pillow last night, we just crashed and fell asleep. And this hotel is really amazing. You walk in and you're really greeted by natural light coming in, as well as you have they have the string lights with the decorative balls hanging up, as well as the big bear. I don't know, it's a statue or kind of an art piece, but it's a big bear welcoming you to the hotel. So it's really a great entrance to the hotel. It's a little bit more modern, I think. And as we walked through the hotel, we got a chance to see the fitness center. We went by the fitness center, took a tour of the fitness center. Also, they have a spa down there as well. You can get a haircut down there. They have a barber shop as well as a salon, so you can get your hair cut there. And then we made our way down to the pool. And the pool itself is just, I think, a little bit more, how do I say? I think the pool is a little bit more adult friendly. It's a very elegant pool, right? It has one area where it has a little river that goes to the other area. And it has a couple of bridges that go over the river, which is kind of cool, I thought, right? So we got a lot of wonderful photos and video of the pool area as well. And so as you walk in, you can pick up some towels and then you go ahead and get your own seating. They have separate cabanas so you can rent out as well on both sides of the pool area. And then as you go farther down, there's actually an area where they have a bar. So it's a full bar, so you can go ahead and have a pool that's separate from the other pools that has it where it's more for adults and it has it where you can order, drink, and it's a private reserved area. So something that I think you have to pay a little extra for, but they have a private pool that you can reserve for your chairs, and they have these big cushion chairs as well, and which is kind of cool. But yeah, they have a bar that services both areas, but at the same time, they have a private pool area as well that you can rent out a space to sit and swim. So also going through the casino, walking around, kind of seeing the clientele. I think it's a little bit more of the younger upscale generation of clientele. I was walking around with my t-shirt and my khakis. I kind of felt a little bit out of place. At the same time, of course, they're going to welcome everybody to the Wynn Hotel. Also, the popular thing at the Wynn is the buffet. Now, we did not actually go into the buffet. We had a buffet the previous days, so we were kind of buffeted out. But at the same time, yeah, you can definitely go to the buffet. It's a really popular attraction here at the Wynn, and they're back. And then we made our way around to the back of the casino, and we found the waterfall area. So there's a waterfall feature out there, so you can definitely go out there, take a photo with the waterfall, as well as kind of see kind of more of a arts on the outside, more of an artistic view on the outside of the Wynn Hotel. So check that out as well. And also they have this big waterfall wall feature as well. And I believe they have some kind of dinner service where they have a water show going on. Of course, we did not attend that restaurant or that show, but at the same time, keep that in mind as well if you come to visit. Then we also heard about the DJs playing here at night. We didn't go out and party outside by the pool, but at the same time we heard there was a lot of good DJs and music and attractions out there as well. So that's something to think about as well if you decide to come to the Wynn. Also, the Wynn has a very elegant area to go shopping where they have, Prada or Dior or Rolex, more of the upscale shopping experiences like Louis Vuitton. You can go to the shopping district of the Wynn, and it's all indoors, so you can go ahead and go shopping and spend all your money if you like. I don't prefer to buy that kind of stuff, but at the same time, if you do have that kind of money and want to spend your money on a new purse, there you go. They have Louis Vuitton there. So. Yeah, and I think also in comparison, I look at it in terms of comparison to the past two places we stayed. We stayed at the Aria and we stayed at the Bellagio, and the Wynn is definitely, I think, a step above those two different hotels. I think the hotel rooms are very similar. You know, they also both have the blinds that open and close automatically. They have, you know, the nice features here in the room as well the mini bars and whatnot. But in terms of the hotel and kind of the ambiance, I think the Wynn is really more modern and upscaled compared to the two hotels. The Bellagio, I think, is a little bit more of a elegant kind of hotel, has more of those elegant features. And the Aria is a little bit more, I think, modern, kind of a clean line kind of hotel. And you can tell also by the demographics of people that stay. I think the Bellagio has a little bit more of the older clientele versus that the Aria has a little bit more of the younger clientele. And then here at the Wynn, you can also tell that the people, they dress up really well here. You know, whether it be suits and ties, whether it be nice clothes, whether it be dresses, you know, you can see that all across the whole entire casino as well as the hotel. People are really happy to be here and spend a little extra money, and I guess you have wonderful service here as well. You know, from the time that we checked in, great service coming in, and you know, all the people that we've been working with here at the hotel, they've been very nice and really, you know, great customer service. So I think you get what you pay for, right? And one of those things that you pay for is service, and the Wynn Hotel definitely offer that kind of service to us. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, this is the first time we spent some money to stay at the Wynn, and it's been a great experience for us so far. We have a couple more nights to stay, but I want to kind of give you this kind of overview of the hotel and tell you what it was like to stay here at the Wynn. If you have any comments or questions about the Wynn, feel free to leave them below. It's been a fun experience for us, and we hope you enjoyed the video as much as we did. If you did, be sure to, you know, hit that like button. We always appreciate your support, and we'll go and see you guys back in the next video. Bye.